Right now we're at Wilkinson Middle School.
In 2015, Mesquite voters approved a $280 million bond, a large portion of that going to renovate old schools and build new
It's
ones.
going to have 10 classrooms, 2 science labs, and a band hall.
Wilkinson Middle School is one of 8 current construction projects. Don Poole is the Mesquite ISD's Executive Director of Construction Services.
This is the only project that we have that's segmented into 2 areas. The front part is the classrooms and science labs, and then in the back we've got a band hall.
The renovations will give Wilkinson an additional 21,000 square feet of space and are scheduled to be completed in time for the start of the next school year.
We'll probably start moving in around June so that when the kids get back to school in August, everything's good to go.